Top 7 AV mistake companies make. Number 1. Poor audio quality. Weak sound system make communication unclear and unprofessional. Number 2. Incorrect display placement. Bad screen positioning reduce visibility and audience engagement. Number 3. Room acoustics. Untreated spaces create echo and uneven sound distribution. Number 4. Outdated technology. Old AV system reduce performance and reliability during events. Number 5. System integration. Disconnected AV tools lead to complicated operations and delay. Number 6. Poor lighting setup. Improper lighting effects, visuals, presentations, and audience focus. Number 7. Non-professional AV support. Without expert setup, even premium equipment underperforms. Technology simplifies life. We simplify technology. Connect with us for advanced AV solutions for your workplace.